Phuza leli tiye libabayo lizogcina phela selinginika isibhejeje athi ngimxoxele ngomntanami uAyifani umzukulu wami nje ngiyambona ukuthi muhle kanjani and unesitayela ngiyamazi la mfana sengibona ngisho namapantsu la khona azama isitayela sakhe uAyifani kodwa Nkosi yami ingane zami hle uzobheka mina ngedwa ngiyanhle
bheka mina ngedwa. Mariki Botma is here with us, but Mariki kule advert ngathi umdala lapha mawubhekawo ngathi akusubuye lo
ngisemuhle
usasemusha
of course uma phela kumele sikhumbule ukuthi senze entertainment la so kuba mnandi sometimes ukuthi na udlale leyo role ukuba uMagriza noma uMamgobhozi you know noma kuthatha isikhathi ukwenza makeup yakhona ufaka amasaka ube mkhulu kodwa uba muhle at the end of the day.
Ukhuluma isiZulu?
Yebo bhuti.
Iphuma phi this situation?
You know Nkula, I grew up in a spiritual background. So at the age of 2 uma wami no baba wami babesifundisa ukucula ngelimi. So I think passion yama languages ifike lapho. Kodwa vele of course Nkhula thina sakhula phakathi kwabantu abakhuluma isiZulu, sicula ngeSixhosa, sicula ngeSotho, sicula ngelimi ezahlukene. So isiZulu into nje engangiyithanda kakhulu.
Iku background yakho ngathi kufuneka ikhumbule ekhaya lapha because ungahleki because it's hard, your background is hard and ikhumbule ekhaya iyafuneka.
You know what
because abazali bakho awubazi?
No angibazi.
Kanjani?
Yazi kuze kube namhlanje ngisayibuza lo mbuzo kodwa ngathathwa abazali umama uVan der Walt nobaba kwakhe
akadoptile
abang-adopta yebo but at the end of the day bona bangikhulisile so yebo abazali bakho uyazibuza wena because ngakhula kakhulu ngesintu ngiyethemba futhi entweni ukuthi kumele wazi isiko lakho wazi ukuthi uvelaphi ukuthi kahle kahle wena ubani kodwa mina uma ngibheka manje
abelungu banamasiko
yebo banawo banawo
ngabuza ngazi
mina ngazi ukuthi ngazalwa uMare so mangicabanga ikhokho zami osari Mare angazi but at the end of the day laba bangikhulisa bengeke ngibe uMarike ngiuye namhlanje ngaba bangikhulisanga kumele ngikhumbule lokho.
Ngicela ukubuza umbuzo oyi1 ulandela iphi team ku PSL?
Awu Nkosi yami uzongibuza ngezinto zebhola butwana
awulazi Paul?
Yazi ukhuluma iqiniso ama-fans amayangazi ku Facebook so bazohlale abantu bethi ngicela ushotele le team ngicela ukucabangele le team
yakho yipi?
Mina angikho kangaka ebholweni but amangingkamamanga but I do love Chelsea.
Hayi leza kude ke lezo.
Ngithanda lezo mina. Yebo ngithanda zakude.
Local is like awazi.
Local is like ngitholi WhatsApp komunye wabantwana abangithanda ku Facebook wama followers ami. Athi ngicela ulandela amabhakaniya. So hayi ngikhona ayisihlangene sathini.
Now let's do the quiz. Here are the Sport at 10 cupcakes. If you get the quiz right, you get the cupcakes. If not, maybe it was a lama pie, size.
Yeah, they're not sweet.
Now the first person we're going to ask you about is this man here. He's a famous actor. And he also played Ipola. He was a goalkeeper.
Oh, Nkosi
Yamaz.
Igama lakhe ngiyamazi kodwa igama lakhe ngilikhohlile.
Okay, look actor bokubani ke?
Shaka.
Yabona at least umtholi.
Of course. Ngazi ibongo zikaDingani mina uShaka ngamkhohlwa kanjani?
Henry Kele is his name.
Okay.
So yes, close. Ushaka.
I said Ushaka.
Everybody knows it, but goalkeeper. Now, moving on to our next question for you. And that question is for rugby. Now, we want to know. This thing here, Mabawa Pants is on a ball. What is that called?
Uguwa Pants. It's a try.
It's a try. That's what we wanted to know. Do you know why it's called?
I do watch rugby.
Do you know what? Do you want to know why? Do you know why it's called a try?
Because they're trying so hard.
I was amazed. Apparently, back in the day, like getting over the line with the ball wasn't actually how you scored. you then had to take a kick through the post, and then that was how
Only
you
then.
scored. So you got the try by putting it over the line to try kick.
Oh,
That's how
I
it
see.
started.
So
and then
it's
it
all
changed.
about trying.
It was a trying.
Oh.
Final question. You're doing well. The last question for you, Mariki Botma, is this man. I know he plays cricket. And njengawe beyakhuluma isiZulu.
Pollock. Hayi akusiyo Pollock.
But you know Pollock at least. Nakubadlala bonke. Bekuyikhathi zabo vele.
Hayi.
Lance.
What's his name? What is his name? Klusner. Something like that.
Yabona ngitholile.
Yeah,
Lance Klusner.
ngimtholile ngimbambile.
Nickname yakhe bekuzulu. Because
Yabonga sileyo. Mina nguntombi zamaZulu, so uZulu ngiyamazi.
Gqoke ne-shirt yabo.
Of course.
Okay, we're going for a quick break. After the break. Oh, there's no break. That's it.
Oh, awesome.
We're done. You won the
That's
cupcakes.
fantastic.
Let me give them over to you then.
Ngizodla kamnandi.
Idla kamnandi sis. Nawo ama-cupcake. Phakama abantu babona ukuthi ngiyandlula ngokuthi. Bheka. Even ngama-healing ngiyawendlula ngama.
It's nice to have abantu abalingana nami, you know.
Shapunizer, we've run out of time, my man. He's looking at me over there. I've got problems. Shapunizer will get double extra time next week. Siyabonga sis.
Nami ngibonge kakhulu.
That's it as far as Sport Attain is concerned. We'll be back again, same place, same time, next week, Wednesday. Don't kill us for the Shampunizer. It just ended. The minister took the time. We'll blame it on the minister. Good night.
Good night.